Today we're replacing an ARINC remote switch on the Boeing 787. The ARINC remote switch converts copper wire signals into fiber optic signals. These are the copper wire connections. And this is the fiber optic connection. This ARINC remote switch is installed in the aft electronic equipment bay and sends fiber optic data to the front of the airplane. The purpose of this conversion is to save weight because fiber optic cables are much lighter than old-fashioned copper wires. Did you know you can recognize a fiber optic cable by the purple color the outer shell has? After installation we activate the system again and load software into the ARINC remote switch. To make sure that the ARINC remote switch works, we do a ground test.